guys, so I know I'm not the only one on this table, so let me rant about it. Like, do you like own a particular item and then you just wear it over and over and over, not because you don't have others to switch with, but because you just find this one comfortable, fitting, and just everything in between? Like, so let's say you have this particular shoe that whenever you wear it, it's just so comfortable, and every time, no matter where you're going to, you just throw on that shoe and then you're good to go. Or maybe just a particular outfit, and every time you wear it, you feel so good. It looks and feels very comfortable on you, and it suits you very well, and so you keep wearing it over and over and over again. Because tell me why I've been wearing this particular black loafers over and over and over again, no matter where I'm going to. Like, it's just my go-to shoe. So I just wear it everywhere. My husband is tired of seeing me wearing that shoe. There's this shoe I bought in 2017 when I was serving in Anambra State. Let me show you. This is the shoe. Look how dusty it is. This shoe, I've had it for 9 years, Abby. This is 2026 and I bought it in 2017. So this is the 9th year. Look how dusty it is. I've had it for like 9 years and I've only worn the shoe once. My husband is tired of seeing this shoe lying idle in my shoe rack. So he has asked me to go and clean this shoe. So I'm going to clean this shoe now so that I can start using it. Let me wear it and show you what it actually looks like. It's actually a very cute shoe. I don't know why I just abandoned this shoe. Finally got my hair made, and this is arguably the best hairstyle for this heat. What manner of weather is this? The heat is something else, something else. At least breeze can pass through my head. Breeze can touch my body. Again, I go be now, I go pack this one up like this. And I'm just glad that the weave on is actually short, so There'll be a lot of breeze entering my body now. Currently, the light situation is actually very frustrating, and I hear it's nationwide, so there's little or nothing we can do. So my husband got this power bank for me. I guess he's tired of coming home to an angry wife. Because tell me why, as an adult, my phone will be going off every day. Like, it's frustrating. It was actually frustrating. So this should fill in the gap for when there's no light, and it's actually um, very durable. It's actually very durable. Like, it's long lasting, and it has a touchlight. So I think it's 20,000 mAh. So it's really durable. It lasts really long. Let me bring it up. It even comes with its own cord. Here you go.